you're carrying gun up and down doesn't mean you're superior to the government. I keep giving people an example. In America today, if we have to go to war, is the president that have to declare the war, then the military will go to war. It is not the other way around. So I think what they've seen in the past, all this while, maybe since 2014, I don't know, are situations where some of the leaders of Biafra are held hostage by these individuals that believe because they have the gun, it is the other way around.
Because I followed everybody. I am telling you, I listened from A to Z, from everybody. I try to study people and I try to learn from people also. That is why you see my comment section, I don't joke with the comment section. In fact, my comment section is one of the places where you can get the truth. Now, without not wasting much of your time, let us go into the reason what really happened. Right from Holyghost to Yahoo, from Yahoo to Dr. Ngozi, from Dr. Ngozi to the conclusion of this issue. Follow me and let's go. Now, this is from Holyghost. Let me tell you one story. People might admire you. People might be talking good about you on your behalf, like the way we normally call it, for your back. They will be saying things good about you, but when you see them face to face or facially, they will try to do as if, oh, they are not in support of what you are doing. You get? But for back, oh, this person is doing it well. This person is getting it right. USB is getting it right. Or Biafra Republic government in Ezra is getting it right. Okay? I want to tell you now how Holyghost name come into existence. So see, this write-up you are seeing is from Holyghost. He said, only the sincerely seeker of Biafra will make it to the end. The double standard person will soon disappear. The thing is, he did not mention name. He did not say either Dr. Ngozi or Mr. Ogekere. He did not say anything. He did not mention any name. He just made this post very, very plain. Now, follow me. Let me take you somewhere. Let us first of all listen to this our brother. Let's listen to him. Get something into your brain. I want to carry you along. Just follow this issue step by step, okay? Now, let us listen to this conversation for a minute.
We'll ask you, do you still see their so-called General Holyghost to come to make any broadcast again? Who have seen him? Ever since Igwe Butuzo made a statement, which he made through our DPM, have you seen that Sonia Brawa brother come to make a video? Have you seen it? No. I shut up. That is to tell you that when you are under authority.
You know me, as I said before, I am following the issue back to back, okay? Now, after this broadcast that day, this come from Holyghost. Watch this.
Only the true seeker of Biafra will make it to the end. Only the true seeker. The true seeker of Biafra. If you know you are among the true seeker of Biafra, you know what to do at the time you're supposed to do. And if you know you are not among the true seeker of Biafra, and you carry yourself join, I'm sorry for you. Your end is now. Yes. Your end is now. You know quite well that you are not the true seeker of Biafra, and you carry yourself you put your body, you are finished. Now you end your life the way you will end. Don't blame anybody, because I told you, and the great prophet told you, he said you must be whiter than white and whiter than snow for you to achieve Biafra. You must be whiter than white, whiter than snow. And you think it was a joke. It is only a true seeker of Biafra that will make to the end. There are three people. Observant. If you were just an observant, you still enjoy Biafra redemption. And the fake seeker, the audience are the observants. Are you an audience? No, Allah. When Biafra come, you'll be part of them. But those fake seeker, those wolf, the sheep clothing, the wolf in sheep clothing, your time is off. This is good morning to the lovers of freedom. This is good morning to the true seeker of Biafra. There is no better way than this. No long talk. Today is our fall. Everything you touch your hand will prosper as a true seeker of Biafra. Your heart desire will be granted unto you. But the fake one, they will dwell in sorrow. Sorrow will be their mystery. Sorrow will be their dream until the end of their life. Because this is the message from the gods. You must be white. Whiter than white. And whiter than snow. These are the true seeker of Biafra. For you to see Biafra. Is stained, you are gone. If your white is stained, you are gone. And that is why if you listen to my background, you go hear the sound of being. I want you to listen to sound background. What do you hear? If your white is stained, you are gone. It is only the true seeker.
Now, listen carefully. I am taking you somewhere, okay? That was the last live stream from Holyghost, okay? Now, let us see the message that was sent briefly by Yahoo Yahoo.
The triple general's name again to make a broadcast. Starting from Holyghost and other ones. Warn them. Holyghost, I am warning you. Gentle the Yahoo is warning you. From today henceforth, never you ever come up on net again and broadcast on behalf of Ngozi or Brgie. Those who are you, all those who are you, enough is enough. All those propagandas, enough is enough. Ngozi or Brgie, be warned. I don't want to go further.
Now, the dance don't they get sweet now. At this moment, a lot of people are now confused. Is it true that Holyghost has been working with Dr. Ngozi? Is it true that Holyghost has been working for Ngozi? Confusion does start. Now, I will shock you that Dr. Ngozi is not even aware Holyghost is working with her. Now, listen to Dr. Ngozi first, and you will get the update at the end of this video.
In case any Biafran sees that, there's a video, one guy, so-called Gentle Lion, I don't even know, I thought that was my commander, but again, he was saying something about Holyghost, that Rabboni should not talk about Holyghost, should not, that Holyghost should not post something about him again. Again, I don't even know. Holyghost is Sonny Akpalawa's brother. So you see how deranged some of these individuals, they're just like, people tell them something, they don't even know, they don't have a clue. So I don't know who talked to this individual called, it's not Gentle Lion, right? Let me write.
Yeah, that's Gentle Lion. That's, what's the one with Bia,
It's Gentle Lion.
Yeah, the one that celebrated Donald Trump victory. That's
okay. So there's a video he made. I just want to let Biafra. There's a video he made, and he was saying that Dr. Weze, something like, my media people include Holyghost, that Holyghost should not talk about him again. Nobody with a problem. I don't even know. Holyghost is Sonny Akpalawa's brother. These are people that are even fighting against me. Then this individual called Gentle Lion went online to say that my media include Holyghost, who is talking about him. I mean, because this was, some people are really as confused as well. Then this same individual was talking about there's somebody called the Success he's working with. Anyway, these people are really irrelevant. I don't want to address it. I thought that was
No,
I thought that was the general. Again, this Biafra, please. I'm just saying, in case you see anything anywhere like that, these are irrelevant people. The one called Success is suspended from this struggle. The one that is Holyghost, I don't know.
Don't worry about it. I will call you and make a connection about the video.
Hey, go me and see now. So that Barabada is looking for a way to kill. Then I say his brother Holyghost is part of my media talking about Gentle Lion. But again, I'll just send it to the appropriate places. These are some of these people are just kind of as confused as hell. It is our duty to continue and that's what happened when, again, every department where in this government where we have a secretary or deputy secretary or cabinet member, the expectation from the government is that we need that discipline in that department so that we as a nation can get to where we are. But in some of the things some of us have observed is people say they have Biafra, some of the angels that are just as so undisciplined, and then you see people just this one would be talking here, this one when the commander gives order, like they don't follow the instruction, and those are some of the things we're trying to see how we can manage and ensure that in every government there must be hierarchy. Because somebody's in the military, you're carrying gun up and down, doesn't mean you're superior to the government. I keep giving people an example. In America today, if we have to go to war, is the president that have to declare the war, then the military will go to war. It is not the other way around. So I think what they've seen in the past, all this while, maybe since 2014, I don't know, are situations where some of the leaders of Biafra are held hostage by these individuals that believe because they have the gun, it is the other way around. So the military will declare war, then the president will approve it. In Biafra land, it's never going to happen that way. It must be the other way around. The government is the one that decides what happens. The military is a part of government, but the military can never, ever be on top of the government. It doesn't happen anywhere in the world. So just ignore this thing I wanted to say now. So
now, the truth of the issue is, Holyghost is among the people that admire Dr. Ngozi's work. Yes, Holyghost is among the people that are telling people on behalf of Ngozi that, oh, Dr. Ngozi is doing well, especially on live broadcast, because Yahoo said Holyghost should stop that wayo, those live stream that is making, those live broadcasts that he will be staying in favor of Dr. Ngozi. Now, when you check the page of the Holyghost, you will never see any program where he supports Dr. Ngozi. Yes, how come he has not made any broadcast by himself supporting Dr. Ngozi that we see on net? But Yahoo is saying stop making those broadcasts. That means if people they do live stream, Dr. Holyghost did the background, calling into the program, hailing Dr. Ngozi. You people should support Dr. Ngozi. Dr. Ngozi is the only one. Dr. Ngozi is a good person. I am telling you the truth. Holyghost admire Dr. Ngozi on behalf of Dr. Ngozi that Dr. Ngozi did not even know that Holyghost they admire. Dr. Ngozi is not even aware that Holyghost speaks in her favor on her behalf. That is just the truth. Some people dey for public like this, they will say you are not trying, you are not doing well, you are a bad person, you are this. But for private, they go tell people, say, Dr. Ngozi is great, oh, Dr. Ngozi is like this, oh, Dr. Ngozi is like this, oh, for Dr. Ngozi. That is what you are seeing. I am telling you the truth. Let it sink into your head. We no recognize Holyghost voice if he call for inside live stream, but believe me, the people when he dey with am go know say this person where they talk so na Holyghost. They all know exactly what is happening. So for the people that are confused, make I help una, let una know say Holyghost did not come out to declare Dr. Ngozi the best or try to come out to support Dr. Ngozi, but they do am in another way that nobody is aware that Holyghost is behind supporting Dr. Ngozi in a great way that the commander can no say no, you are you supporting Dr. Ngozi, but the thing is, Yahoo did not refer or put the names of the commander that they are following. Okay, he just sent his message. But anyways, for that message, you know, no progress the analyst, I will still come and also analyze that message because there are some things that I also heard from that broadcast, that message that was sent to Dr. Ngozi. I will still come and say one or two things concerning it, but before then, may we touchlight this one. It is very important. Now, after all this message to Holyghost, this is his response. Now, after that response, this is the response from Holyghost. He said, there is no problem in Biafra Liberation Army. We are one under one command. We move. Now, Holyghost did not mention name if it's for Dr. Ngozi or for Mr. Ogekere. He just passed his message. Also, Yahoo did not mention if the command they follow is for Dr. Ngozi or for Mr. Ogekere. But that is why I tell you people that I will still come and analyze that video. Una go see something from that video. My point I go bring her come, and also the response from my beloved audience here. You will see it. So my beautiful
that are just here making jest of what we are doing. I'm just laughing at you. I'm just laughing at you. We are not going to fight like Mazi Simon Ekpa, and I tell you that Mazi Simon Ekpa is going to join us very soon. And we're not going to fight like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as he's fighting, where he is, has he given up? Absolutely no. It's the 60 days ultimatum still stands, okay? We're going to come in a new dimension. We're going to come with fire. We're going to come with everything to make sure that Nigeria does not exist in Biafra land again. So, Mr. Victor, let me tell you something that you need to know. We are not here to play hanky-panky game. We are not here to preach what we cannot do. We are here to completely end Nigeria. That is what we came out to do. We are not here to, you know, come to paint words or to sugarcoat words with you or start having, going back and forth with anybody from the terrorist state of Nigeria, okay? So, the 60 days ultimatum continues from this month and is going to end this month. After that 60 days, then you will know where we are coming from. You think we just come to talk or to rant? Don't worry, we're not going to tell you people the tactics we're going to use to make sure that Nigeria does not have a pin in Biafran land. All of you that are just here making jest of what we are doing, I'm just laughing at you. I'm just laughing at you. We are not going to fight like Mazi Simon Ekpa, and I tell you that Mazi Simon Ekpa is going to join us very soon. And we're not going to fight like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as he's fighting, where he is, has he given up? Absolutely no. He's not giving up. He has not given up. So why would you come to my social media handle, as stupid as you are, make this comment? You know, it doesn't anger me, but the thing is, it shows how stupid and how irrelevant some people can be, and how myopic some people can be in their thinking that we are here to joke. Do you think that our deputy prime minister is joking? Do you think that the Biafran forces are jokes? My brother, you have to think again. We are not here to come and tell you, oh, we are going to do this, we are going to do that. Like the way they swiftly, quietly, and, you know, plan to kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is how you are going to see what is coming in the next 30 days. Believe that.
One day, in what happened, or Danny, every day, unprepared. I joined no corner that I would did prepared. A man was against the by 1996. Man, my equator. I no corner. Then, message or site in Abuna. Okay, rule. Kainaban. My sister. I'm on your same property. Upon your property. On your underground here, I must be property. I am a property on a reiki law where I can. I'm not going to knock. I'm not going to know. My own property, one of when I can get when I got a ma. But on that, no can keep. Osibika ya no kokwa nke pa ka isi we no nko wa bazie no no ka I mana nka yesi na village a business side ono for trade fair I wrote trade fair no nda usa ga dey azu anya ndi Yoruba ga dey azu anya afa ndaga ono ma tun for the trade fair yes but it's 30 years 3 years now anyị ncha anyị na-arụ ọrụ na-enye unu nri na-enyere ụlọ aka onye achọrọ ịrụ onye na-akpali anyị imepe news ibe akwa Tinubu pụtara wee rụba kwuo na ụmụaka pakọlụ